Hello guys, and how was your trading week, guys? So here we are again. Let's make analysis for next week, guys. Let's make analysis for next week. So first off, let's quickly kick off by looking at the news events which played out on Friday. We had a lot of major news events happening, and these events were so massive. They literally made change of trend very easily for us. So quickly, let's roll over to our charts and see what we should be expecting, what we should consider, stuff like that. Let's quickly roll over to our chart. And first off, let's kick off with DXY. Let's kick off with DXY, guys. So this is DXY. So if you watched my previous video, I made analysis for DXY to come to this side first. We should come to this side before we look for further downside for DXY. Okay, I made this analysis 10 days ago for DXY. So in other words, let me quickly just make a revise for the analysis. I see this was the major structure holding DXY, the bullish trend, and immediately we spotted out a major we spotted out a chart pattern, a double top. Then we spotted out the neckline. We noticed the neckline was broken. We noticed the neckline was retested. Now immediately we noticed we had this little impulse. We had this demand zone we should consider. Why did I draw this level? Because the demand zone was massive. If you notice, this zone was what made the market roll over up to this side. So you should consider it. So unfortunately, the market roll over right here, and now we are tanking down. So anyways, guys, when you notice trend has moved in your favor, you should start to find out stuff that's going to distract the trend, or probably give you a period of impulse move or a change of trend. So right here, with what we could see, this nigga right here, this level 100.00, a psychological level, is the major turning point for DXY. Okay, so anything happening around here, probably an impulse move, retracement, blase blase, but this is the major turning point for DXY. But still on that, I will just move this guy to this side. Okay? I'll move this guy to, and this is the level I should be expecting, probably a turning point on, and we have broken the level. But that's that, guys. Before I move on, I want you guys to notice that this trend right here was so stretchy. Okay, so probably on Monday you guys should start expecting period of retracement. Okay, the trend was so stretchy, like boom, first day, second day, third day, fourth day, so stretchy. So you should expect a period of retracement before we kick off our sell. Okay, so that's that. So quickly, what I want to do is make sure everything is well arranged. So I'll quickly kick off to come back to my weekly time frame and look at this stuff properly. So this is the weekly time frame on my chart. So this you might be wondering, like, what are all these levels? What are all these levels? Levels like this are plotted zone by zone, levels by level, tip by tip, period of points at which the market has tested several times and made a turning point, psychological levels, Fibonacci levels also. So that's just everything you are seeing right here. You know how to plot your Fibonacci levels and support and resistance, make charts very simple. The financial market is already complicated. You don't want to find any strategy that is also complicated. Just find something simple and make money with it. Is that okay? So moving on, guys, let's quickly roll over. We have make our analysis on DXY, and we are certain that okay, DXY should be coming downward. We should continue rolling down for a sell, but we might expect a period of impulse move, and the major turning point for DXY would be 100.0 psychological level. So when we make analysis like this, we like to correlate it with other pairs. Okay, we like to correlate it with other pairs, because under correlation, guys, you know, the market move in same direction, but each pair has its own dynamic way of movement. So Euro USD, GDP USD are positively correlated, but you will notice sometimes GDP USD is trending and Euro is ranging. Why is that happening? This is because each pair has its own dynamic way of movements, and you'll notice some people just prefer to trade some certain pairs to another because they believe this pair has its own dynamic way of movement, which they have understood up and down. Okay. You notice Jeffrey Benson, he always loved trading GDP USD. Like, he loved trading GDP USD. That's his favorite pair. So that is his favorite pair, but that does not mean that Euro USD and GDP USD are not moving in the same direction. They are moving in the same direction, but he just loves GDP USD because it has its own dynamic way of movement, and he have understood the ups and down. Okay, so let's quickly correlate GDP. Let's quickly correlate DXY with EURUSD 30. The bond market, which is looking good. I actually use the bond market to I use this bond market to confirm myself for US 30. I used this bond market to confirm myself for DXY. Okay, this is US 10Y. This is a bond market. You could see it right up, and I use this sell to confirm a I use this bond market to confirm a sell for DXY, because at some point DXY was looking blabbish. Okay, so but anyways, if you look at US 30, it's looking good. Your start is looking good. We have also broken, and they are positively correlated. So we have also broken this level. We are retracing. We should also start continue looking for further selling opportunity. Okay, we should also look for further selling opportunity. I will just draw my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high and spot around this level. Around this level we had our Fibonacci level right here, so I'll just delete it, spotted our stop. So we might have a period of retracement before we kick off continuation for sell. So but anyways, let's go to XPX. Okay, let's dive into XPX. So there is something interesting I want to show you guys on XPX, right? It's so interesting, guys. So in this analysis we had to I was making a thorough analysis on this pair, guys. I was making a thorough analysis. So this analysis we have to kick off by starting from the monthly time frame. But first off, I'll take off all these bad guys, and leave only the majors. Take off all these bad guys and come back to the monthly time frame. Okay, so right here we could clearly see that the XPS is always at the top. You get lonely at the top. So XPS is always at the top. It's trending bullish all the time. So if you notice this level, this box you could see right here, and it's calculating the overall trend of the overall bullish trend of XPS from 2020 to December 2021. Okay, so this box right here calculate the total trend, the total bullish trend of XPX before we had this period of retracements. Okay, so when you make this kind of calculation, you duplicate the box to see. You use this to calculate trend. Also, you can use this to calculate a trend of the market. So when this is the overall trend, this is the point of retracement before we had this bullish engulfing. So you take this your box right here and start from that level, same point. Okay, when you do that, you notice now when you do this, you notice that the trend for XPX has also ended. Okay, the trend for XPX just ended. Like the overall trend, the bullish trend for previous years, it has come and accomplished it. So probably we should start expecting period of retracement. Also a period of retracement for XPX. We should start expecting period of retracement for XPX, guys. Draw this right here. So this with this, we should start expecting period of retracement, bringing XPS right to this spot. But guys, you know, XPS is always um XPX is always bullish. XPX is always bullish. So this level right here, I'll clone it also. So I want you guys to understand this very well. This level right here is the what did I call it? The retracement box. We call this the retracement box. Okay. So this is the bullish trend, and I'll change the color of this so that you could see this. Call this the red. So call this the red also. Call this the red. Okay, so this is the period, sorry, this is the period of this is the bullish trend momentum, the long-term bullish trend, period of retracement, bullish trend. We're going to have a period of retracement. So for every trend there's always a resultant move. That's just a simple technical analysis setup. For every trend there's always going to be a resultant move. So here we are, we've gotten the total trend which XPS had made previous years. So we should expect a period of retracement also. So this being said, guys, we have to make sure, after you make your analysis like this, you have to make sure everything is looking okay. And one thing I want you guys to notice is that XPS is always bullish. Okay, XPS is always bullish. So if XPS is always bullish, thinking of selling XPS is a bit risky. You understand? Thinking of selling XPS is a bit risky. So let's roll over to weekly time frame. So this is the major trend. This is the major trend right here. Reset this. I'll delete this. Delete this. Okay. So this is the major trend line. This is the trend following the current trend. And if you notice, we have bridged the trend line. We have bridged it with a weekly candlestick. And if I draw this guy right here, so this is a double top. So let's draw this double top so that you guys could see it. You know, chart pattern works perfectly on higher time frame, guys. If you trade on higher time frame, chart pattern will work for you. But if you don't trade on higher time frame, you trade on 4 hour, if you trade on 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, chart pattern don't work that much right there. But when you trade on higher time frame like daily, weekly, monthly, and you see chart pattern forming at those levels, you see chart pattern forming on those time frame, guys, those chart pattern work 70-80% of the times. Okay, so now right here we can spot a double top on the weekly time frame. Okay, we could spot a double top on a weekly time frame, guys. So when you spot a chart pattern, you want to find a neckline. So all chart pattern has its own neckline. Every chart pattern has its own neckline. Take for instance, this is a head and shoulder. This is a head and shoulder. Okay, this is a head and shoulder. The neckline for this head and shoulder, will be, okay, I'll draw this like this. The neckline for this head and shoulder will be right at this spot right here. So this is the neckline for this head and shoulder, guys. This is the neckline for this head and shoulder. You can see this is the neckline for the head and shoulder, guys. So that being said, every chart pattern has its own neckline. So this is double top. I want to spot out the chart the neckline, but first off, I could sit something at this spot. I could spot a major demand zone at this spot. So I'll change this back to black. Okay, change it back to black. So this is the major demand zone I'm noticing at XPX. I'm seeing this as a major demand zone for XPX. So I'll bring this and amend it properly. So for daily time frame, we could quickly spot the neckline. The neckline for this chart pattern is right at this spot, and the neckline has been broken. But what are we going to do? I won't be trading for this neckline, because if you notice, immediately there is a demand zone right at the neckline. So it's not looking a bit okay. It's not looking a bit okay, and you could see this erective um hammer candlestick forming here, showing you bullish trends at this spot. So that's that. So I'll take this out. I won't take this into consideration. I will just take this major level. So now, in other words, this is going to be our 50-50 zone. You know what we call 50-50 zone, right? A level where um we either go up or we come down. Okay, so right here we have actually spotted out stuff for possible reversal for XPX. And that being said, we notice this trend line, the recent trend line has been broken, and we could spot a zone right here which we call our 50-50 zone. So what we mean by 50-50 is that we might have the market change, kick off with its bullish trend at this spot. We might have the market kicking off with a bullish trend at this spot, or we might just roll over to the downside. Okay, we might just roll over to the downside. So that's that. So anyways, I am expecting further sell, but DXY is bearish. DXY is bearish. So when DXY is bearish, XPS would be bullish. Okay, so XPS would be bullish. So that's why I'm noticing this level as a major demand zone for XPS. So we might come here, touch here again for more bullish trends for XPS. But I'm seeing possible long-term reversal on XPS, guys. I'm seeing possible long-term reversal that will roll over XPS back down. Okay, so that's that. So let's quickly roll over to Euro. Let's roll over to Euro. We made analysis on Euro last week, and we said Euro should be bullish, and we also give criteria as if Euro do not go as planned, and we might sell. So this is what we did, and fortunately Euro has kicked off, okay, as expected. So this is a reversal. So in summary, let's quickly make a summary of this. In summary, this is a reversal. So this here we had this curve shape happening, and this is looking like a cup and handle, but I won't call it a cup and handle, but I know it's a reversal because we made a biz at this spot. We had a change of structure at this spot to this spot here, and right, we kick off. So the news on Friday news made our analysis to go as planned. You know, I don't trade the news, so but if I don't trade the news, but I believe the news we move in same direction with the trend. Okay, the news move in same direction with the trend. Doesn't matter if even if the news go against the trend, is going to at some points change back to the major flow of the trend. So in fundamental analysis, there's what we call economic indicators, which are leading economic indicator, lagging economic indicator, coincident economic indicator. Well, for lagging indicators are indicators that help that helped to confirm the change of trend, and um, tells you if the trend has power to continue moving in its same direction. That's the definition of lagging indicator. So you could go and make research on the remaining two, but for lagging indicators, it tells you what if the change, it helps you confirm the change of trend, which is something you can see right here. It helps us to confirm the change of trend, which the news that happened on Friday, it's pushed the market upward. So you could see that, right? So I will quickly roll over to this forex factory. So what you are seeing right here are economic data. Okay, so this is a lagging indicator for euro. This is a lagging indicator. It tells you what has already played out. So this data you are seeing has already started playing out in the chart. That's why you could see the trend has started changing already. The trend has started changing. Okay, so the trend has started changing, and the indicator is going to give you confirmation of change of trend. So the advantage of lagging indicator is that it gives you confirmation for change of trend, and it gives you should I say it gives you interest. Like, it tells you that the trend has power to keep on moving in that same direction. That's the advantage of lagging indicator. So you can go and study more on um um leading indicator and coincident indicator. So that being said, guys, let's plot out levels that is going to hinder our bullish trend on euro. So euro has kicked up as expected. So this is euro. We should expect a period of short retracement for euro, because the market is a bit stretchy. Okay, the market is a bit stretchy, and this is stretchy. We should have so if you haven't gotten in for a buy, you should just expect a period of impulse move, then you buy it again upward. Okay, so you expect a period of impulse move, then you buy it upward. So we are expecting bullish trend. We are expecting up for euro, up for euro. So we'll quickly come here and reset this guy. We're expecting a bullish trend for euro coming. So we are expecting bullish. We are expecting the market to continue with its bullish momentum. So this is where euro should. I'll mark the peak. The overall peak of this market is right at this spot. Okay. So the overall turning point for this market should be at this level, and it's also a psychological level 1.1200. Okay, so the market should pull up to this side. Okay, we should expect a pull up right there, and that's where I'm expecting euro to kick off. So when we kick off to this side, then we should complete the overall trend to psychological level 1.400. That's the next level target for euro USD. But mind you, we are still having some inner trends that's going to hinder us, which is I'm seeing right here. This level, I'm looking at this level. This is just a period of impulse move, but the major trend is going to kick off the bullish trend. So next level target should be at this level here, and next level target should be the overall level target should be at this top here. Okay, so that's that for euro. So that's that for euro, guys. So nothing else on euro. So same thing will be for GDP USD. Same thing will be for um GDP USD. This USD CHF played out as expected. So when you make analysis on DXY, I literally just made all the analysis for you make all the analysis for the majors. You make all analysis for majors. So the last but not the least asset we'll look at is this GUS playing out as expected. GUSD, GDP USD. Okay, GDP USD played out as expected. So for GDP USD, I made analysis with my guy. For GDP USD, sorry, my chart look a bit okay. So I just had we were making analysis. So I told my guy this market trend was so beautiful. So had that chart, that trend line deleted. I told him we should expect impulse move first before we skyrocket. I plotted here as the first level target for his buy, then here as the overall level target, and that has played out also. So but that's GDP USD, Euro USD playing out so beautiful well. Let's roll over to USDJPY and we'll call it a day. USDJPY played out as expected. I will just delete this guy. USDJPY playing out as expected. So I had a USDJPY trade set up for you guys last week. I showed you guys a USDJPY setup. I told you guys the trend might have a period of wanting to stop us out. So this is it. We have this massive consolidation here, and we sold out again. So we pray USDJPY keep on heading downward. Okay, USDJPY will keep on heading downward. We might have a period of retracement again before we sell, but still we're expecting USDJPY to come to this level first before the overall level target here. So that's that. If you have any charts you want me to look at, you want me to make any analysis on any charts, please put that in the comment section. So that's that for USDJPY. So this is my chart on weekly time frame. We have this beautiful bearish engulfing playing out. We should expect the next bullish bearish candlestick roll over to this. But this is the major turning point for USDJPY. So I'm looking at this spot, but I'm also observing this little spot right here. So that's that. Euro USD will keep on buying. This is the major targets, major turning points we should be expecting euro to come to. But the candlestick is so erective, and we should expect a period of impulse move, okay, before we buy. So for USD JPY, I already did that. NZD USD consolidating, it's not looking juicy, just leave that one by. So for GDP USD, play that I expected, we should come on. I'll just delete this stuff here, delete this stuff. So for GDP USD, we should roll over to this point 1.33. So that will be a psychological level 1.35. So we should roll over to 1.35 for GDP USD. We should roll over to 1.35 for GDP USD. And for, I'm not fan of exotic that much. Not fan of exotic. So that's that. So I'm just looking if there's anything I want to show you guys, but literally there is nothing. So guys, please like and post your comments. I'm going to answer all of them. Okay, I'm going to answer all of them. Thank you and have a lovely trading week.